Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we will be discussing C# inheritance. So right here I am inside the student class. Now notice with me that I have the name, I have the email. It's like a common property, like if we have an employee class, let's do that. Let's add an employee class. Okay, let's go to add class and let's call it employee. Okay, and let's set add. Let me just make this public. Okay, and let's go down here. Okay, now notice with me that let me just go back here. Now notice with me that the student class like can have something in common, like the name. Let me just copy that as the employee, also the email. Okay, so both these properties, okay, are like common between the employee, the student. Even let's say if you want to create another like supplier, okay, we will need his name, his email, etc. So these are common properties, okay, and also we can have like common methods, okay. So let's create a method, okay, and let's call this method set name email, okay. I'm sorry, email, okay, and let's pass in two values, name, okay, string email. Let's set end, and we have this method right here. This method will set the value of the name and also the email. Oh, I'm sorry, email. Okay, so these values we have right here, okay. We can also copy that and take it to the employee. Now notice with me that I'm doing something that is considered a bad practice while programming, that I'm just like reusing everything. I'm not trying to centralize my work, okay, and make it like shared between all these. Now like if I have a mistake, let's say that I have like maybe this empty string right here by mistake, and I have just like copy it over and over to different classes, to 5-10 classes. I have to go and fix this mistake in all the 10 classes that I have, okay. So what a solution that we can use so we can share these different properties, these different methods with the different classes, okay. Let's see what is inheritance. Now first thing first, I will add a new class, okay, and I will call it a profile, okay. Now as you notice from the name, it can be used with the employee and with the student, okay. So now it's called public. Now let me hit to the employee right here. Let me copy everything, okay. Now we will go to the employee. What we will do, we will remove everything. We don't need it anymore. Where is it? It's in the profile class. Now how I can inherit the different properties, the name, email, method, how I can inherit it to the employee and save myself a lot of work and a lot of time? I can just simply come here and call in the profile. Now as soon as I specify the profile right here, it will take whatever like public properties available and public methods, and I will be able to access them from the employee, okay. Let's do the same thing for the student. Let's remove all this, it's not needed anymore. We just need the DBA, and we will call in the profile, and we are all set. This is it, that's all what we need. Now notice that I have the email property, and if you notice in the tooltip it says profile.email. That because we are inheriting, we are not defining them in the student class, we are inheriting them from the profile class. If I come and create a new object of employee, okay, a new employee, okay, and I come over here, I will also have the name, the email, okay, and notice again in the tooltip it's all coming from the profile. If I call in the set name email method, notice that it's available, okay, and I can pass the different values I want to it. And notice also in the tooltip it says that it's inherited from profile. So the inheritance can save us a lot of work. Instead of just typing the same thing, same common thing between the different classes, I can just simply define a profile class, add the different attributes methods I want, and then I can access them whenever I want. So remember, try always to make sure that your code have like follow a really good concepts, the clean code concept, the guidelines for object oriented programming, so it can save you a lot of time and save you a lot of hard work. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.